Hello guys, welcome back to Be Talented. So today I have got a super easy card trick for you. So first I'll be performing it to you and then I'll give you its tutorial. So stay tuned till the end and let us start now. So guys, as you can see, all the cards of aces are in front of you. So now I will be stacking all the 4 aces at the top of the deck. So here goes the ace of spades, and then ace of diamonds. After that goes the ace of clubs, and at last ace of hearts. So just keep looking carefully as this is a wonderful trick. And now I will be getting all the cards back at the top of the deck but facing down. So here comes the first one, then the second one, then the ace of diamonds, that is the third one, and let me get this one as it is. So now I will be taking all the 4 ace cards from the top of the deck to the surface back facing down. So here goes the first ace card, the second one, third, and the last ace. So now I will be picking each and every single ace card and I will randomly put somewhere in between the deck all of the ace cards. So starting from the light, let me put it right here. Let's keep this one over here. Let me keep this one right there. And let's keep this one right here. So guys, as you have seen that I have randomly put all the 4 aces somewhere between the deck. And I'll also give it a shuffle so that it gets mixed up properly. So guys, as you saw that I have gave a shuffle to the deck. So now I really have no idea where all the aces are. But wait, let me do some magic over here. And look at this now.
Ace, 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 ace.
All the 4 aces are back at the top. Wasn't that amazing?
Yes.
So if you like the trick, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and now let's go and look at the tutorial. So guys, first of all, you have to keep all the aces at the desk, and then there is a small setup, that is, you don't have to let the first 3 cards mix with the deck. What I mean to say is there should be a gap between the first 3 cards and the deck, and you can create a gap by putting your little finger in such a way that audience does not get to know that there is a gap between the first 3 cards and the deck. And after that you have to get all the aces one by one at the top of the 3 cards, and you have to try to do it as quick as possible so that the spectators does not get to know about your setup. And then while you bring the pile of cards in your other hand, you have to get the other 3 cards pinned by your finger along with them, just like this. but you should be careful with the thing that audience should not see this. So this thing should also be as quick as possible. And next, you have to get the first 3 ace cards at the top of the deck facing down, just like this. But the last ace along with the 3 cards as it is. So now the first 4 cards are 1 ace and 3 other random cards. So now when you get the 4 top cards down to the surface, the audience would think that all the 4 cards are aces. But no, the actual thing is only one of them is an ace and other 3 cards are some random numerical cards. And after you get all of them facing down to the surface, you have to randomly put the first 3 cards in the deck because they are just some random cards, just like this. But you have to keep in mind that the ace card, you can place it in any of the top 4 cards. Means you cannot place it somewhere over here or somewhere over here. That's why you have to make a special gap for it, just like this. You can put it right there. Or if you are not able to do that much, then you can just put it at the top. And after you are done with that, you just have to give it a shuffle so that the audience gets completely convinced that you really don't know where all the other cards are. While shuffling, you have to make sure that the top 4 cards remain at the top. And you can do that just like this. And then you can do a little snap or something and then show the audience that you have got all the 4 aces back at the top. So guys, that's it for today. If you like the trick, then press the like button, subscribe to the channel and also share it to the others. And thanks for watching.